Alright, how's it going? So this is a tutorial on how to add skins to your Minecraft character. So there's a website called Minecraft Skins that we're going to go to. And here you can browse your skins, but we're going to do watermelon. And right over here is watermelon 2, so we're going to click it. Here you can kind of view the image link and all that kind of stuff, but we're just going to go right over here to download. It's going to download a PNG file right over here. So you can see that it's in my downloads and it's a PNG file. So now we have to install it. So on the Minecraft launcher, once you go on the Minecraft launcher, you go to skins, you press new skin, and then you can name it. So I'm going to name it watermelon. And you can do slim, classic. I'm just going to do slim and browse for the file. And the file is right over here. So if we take a look, that is a watermelon skin. I press open, and then boom, I press save and use, and now my Minecraft character is going to be a watermelon. I hope this helps.